Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Factory. I am Pranit and I have 4 plus years of experience as a data engineer. So in this video, I will be sharing my real interview experience with Insido, focusing only on scenario based hands-on questions, the kind interviewers actually care about. If you are preparing for data engineering interviews and want to understand how problems are asked in the real world, this video will help you a lot. So make sure you stay till the end. The final question is where most candidates struggle. These questions don't test syntax, these test how you think with data. So let's start. Question number one, max marks per department. You are given a student table. Each student belongs to a department and has a certain number of marks. The task is simple, find the student with the highest marks in each department. Most candidates immediately think of group by, but here is the issue. Group by gives you the maximum marks, not which student scored those marks. So that's why interviewers expect a window function here. We rank students within each department from highest marks to lowest, and then we use the where function and find the maximum marks within each department. So here is the SQL solution. So we group students by department and rank them by marks using dense rank. We use dense rank, not row number, because if multiple students get the same highest marks, all of them should be returned. And later, we select only the top scorer from each department using rank is equal to 1. So this is the solution I told to the interviewer during the interview. And then the interviewer asked me to write the same solution using PySpark, Spark DSL commands. Okay, now let's apply the same logic in PySpark. So in PySpark, I created a window initially so that groups data by department and sorts trends by highest marks. So later, I assigned a rank using dense rank and only kept only the top scorers from each department. You can see the code on the screen. So if this logic feels clear, you're already ahead of many candidates. Now let's move to a question that silently eliminates people. Question 2, join output count. So you are given two tables, table 1 with values 1, 0, 1, null, 1, null, and table 2 with 1, 1, 0, 2, and null. And like the interviewer asked me how many rows will be returned by inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. So no running queries, no guessing, only logic. So here is the key you must remember while doing this. Null never matches with null. So only non-null matching values participate in joins. So that's where the correct answers are. Inner join returns 7 rows, and left join returns 9 rows, right join returns 9 rows, full outer join returns 11 rows. So if you are confusing right now here, if you don't know how joins work, please let me know in the comment section. Comment join, and I will explain the full joins concept in the next video. So this question isn't about joins, it's about whether you understand how SQL handles missing data. Now let's now let's look at the most realistic problem. The question number 3, real business scenario. They have given me sales data and customer data. The requirement is for each customer and each month, calculate total sales amount, average sales amount, previous month's total sales, and previous month's average sales. These types of questions test analytics thinking, not memory. First, we aggregate the data at a monthly level. Then, we use a window function to look at the previous month. And here is the SQL solution. So, we start with two tables. One has sales data and the other has customer details. We join both tables. So, each sale also has customer name and city. And also, we convert sale date into month format, like 2025 1, to group monthly data. And for each customer and each month, calculate total sales and average sales. And also, look back at the previous month's data using lag for the same customer. And then we show the final output, current month sales along with previous month sales for easy comparison. So think of it as a raw sales. We convert it to monthly summary and then we compare with last month. So the lag function lets us access previous row data without self joins. So that's why window functions are so powerful in real production systems. If this video make you pause and think, that's a good sign because good data engineers don't memorize queries. They understand patterns and logic. If you want more real interview questions from different companies, comment interview below. This is Big Data Factory, where interviews meet reality. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.